I'd like to call on the acting president of the National Council of Women Societies, where every women organization is domiciled, to please help us wrap up this goodwill message. Loyal woman, faithful woman. God bless you.
Thank you very much and good afternoon. We still have so many people in the hall, and I want to stand on the already established protocol that was done in the morning. First of all, I want to thank our mother who has put this together. I've always known her to be a very brave woman, even before she became the Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. She's a staunch NCWS member, and she's a live member. So what she's doing is in line with the vision of the Council of promoting leadership and promoting women and empowering women too. So I want to thank you, Ma, and all your executive for putting this up for not just Igbo women, but for Nigerian women. Just as what have just been said by the wife of our former governor. And I know a lot have been said already. So many people have said everything that we needed to hear. And what we need to do as women, because what I'm taking back home from here is that all the women, all of us must come together, no matter where you're from, no matter your party, no matter what, all of us must come together, because if we don't come together, nothing will change. And if we can do it together, a lot of things will fall in line. And if women are in positions of authority, we'll make laws that will suit us. And a lot of things will fall in places for all of us to enjoy. Just like what Mrs. Okorocha has said, we have no other country apart from Nigeria. We are from here, and this is where we'll stay and spend our lives till the day God calls us home. So all we need to do is to come together. That's why I've always been appreciating the sisterhood platform. I love that platform so much. It helps bring all the women of Nigeria together, and that is exactly what our mother is doing today. So please, let's come together. We have a lot and lot and lot to pick from what people have said, and we need to even go back to the drawing board and sit down and make sure that all these things come to be. We shouldn't just do the talk, and without doing the talk, we shouldn't leave what we have heard today, what we have been told, a lot of people have spoken, and just leave it at that door and walk out. Please, let's put it into action, let's implement. Let's do it together, and we will all succeed. Thank you very much, and God bless.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, NjenjeMedia TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together, no matter the road.